Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you're curious how to withdraw funds from your Shein wallet, this video is going to be for you. So understanding Shein Wallet now. So basically how it works. Shein Wallet comprises two types of credits. Firstly, we have wallet credits issued for returns or order cancellations, and we have promotional wallet credits, so earned through promotional activities. According to Shein's official policy, wallet credits and promotional wallet credits cannot be redeemed for cash or transferred to another account. Using wallet credits now, while direct withdrawals aren't possible, you can still utilize your wallet credits for future purchases on Shein. At checkout, your wallet's balance will automatically apply to eligible items. So for example, if you're curious where your wallet is, so you just go to my profile right over here, and you go to your wallet. So let us check it out. So you just press on my assets, you go to your wallet, and as you can see, you will have your total points, right? Just like I said, after returns and everything like that. And you will be able to use this Shein credit, right? So wallet credit to use it at a checkout to get discounts. So that's basically how it works. If you prefer a refund to your original payment method instead of wallet credits, ensure you select that option during the return process. So in summary, while Shein Wallet does not support direct withdrawals, your credits can be conveniently used for future purchases. Always choose your preferred refund method during returns. For more Shein tips and others, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.